Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on App Management. After click on App Management, click on App List. After click on App List, scroll down and click on Camera. After click on Camera, click on Force Stop. After click on Force Stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to App Library, scroll down to and click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on System and click on Reset Phone. Reset all settings. Click on Reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on Settings app, click on My Phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.